guys, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome to day 1 of Vlogmas. Today is 27th of November and it's 9:30 a.m. and at 10, around 10, I have my online class. So first things first, we'll attend that, and then after that I have some work to complete, so I have to go out and do that work. And then after that, for today, the thing related to Christmas is that we'll be making our advent calendar. It's a DIY advent calendar, and I hope you guys will like that. And also I have a surprise for you guys at the end of this video, so make sure you are sticking till the end to know what that surprise is. And yes, now I'll go and attend my classes, and then I'll come back and give you guys the updates. So I am done with my classes and now I have to go out to get few things done, and then once I come back we'll work on the DIY advent calendar, and I'll show you guys that how I'm making my advent calendar. And it's a very easy and quick method, so you can also easily make that if you want to make your own advent calendar, because it gets much more personalized and customized when you are making it yourself. And yeah, I'll see you super soon. So I was back home, I got my work done, and I had my lunch. And now I'll be showing you guys how I am making my DIY advent calendar. So let's just quickly get into that. So I made these envelopes yesterday. I was free for some time, so I thought I'll make these envelopes beforehand only. I have made 24 of these envelopes, and this is a really nice way to use up your scraps as well. So I have these envelopes with me. And then I have an old cardboard piece with me, which I'll cover with this handmade paper. So I'll do that off camera and then quickly come back to you guys. So I have covered my cardboard piece with this green handmade paper, and now I'm just taking my alphabet stickers, and I'll write the heading in the center first. So I am seeing if I have red stickers. Yes. I think I'll write days to Christmas or something of that sort in the center here. So I'll do that and come back to you guys. So now I have my heading done here, but before pasting these envelopes I wanted to close these with something. So I have these number stickers, so I'll directly use these because obviously I have to number my envelopes as well. So I thought, why not use these as the closure as well as the countdown thing only. So I'll just quickly start with this thing, and I am randomly picking up the envelopes and closing them with the numbers. So this page material is not so the sticky back here is not good enough for this kind of material, so I'll just go ahead and use my Fevicol to stick this one, and I'll quickly do all the envelopes and then I'll come back and show you guys how I am doing this advent calendar. So I have numbered all my envelopes and I have randomly placed them here on the board, and now I'm just going to grab my Fevicol and paste these in here. So it's such a quick idea, and you can obviously go for a color theme or something like that while making this. I just went ahead, took out my paper scraps and made envelopes out of those. And so basically I didn't go with any particular theme or any color theme or something like that. I just went ahead and randomly made the envelopes. And you can obviously place them in symmetry and order wise, but I felt it will be fun to just place them randomly. And I'll just go ahead and paste all the envelopes, and then I'll just put some detailings like maybe some decoration and something. So I'll complete this and show you guys how this looks like in some time. So guys, this is my completed advent calendar. I added some stars here, and I have added some smaller stars all over the area. So this will be my advent calendar, and I'll be filling this with some affirmation quotes and positive quotes and things like that, so that every day when I open this up, I'll have a really nice beginning with some positivity. And yes, you can also put in some sweets. If you are making this for kids, you can put in some sweets and some fun activities that they can do during that day, like maybe making ornaments, making or playing some particular game and things like that. So you can put some activities in there. So this is how you can make your DIY advent calendar. So this was the DIY advent calendar. If you guys liked it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do let me know in the comment section below what more DIYs you want to see in the coming days. And this was pretty much it for today. I'll be placing this calendar on December 1st on my desk. And yes, this was pretty much it for today, and coming to the big announcement. So I have a giveaway for you guys, and this giveaway will be running through the whole Vlogmas. And for that, what you have to do basically is just subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and comment done in the comment section below, and stay active throughout the Vlogmas videos. And this will be a lucky draw kind of a thing. So, and I'll attach the details of the giveaway on the screen, because obviously it's easier for you guys to read and understand things. And if you have any queries, do let me know. I'll answer all those. And the gift for the DIY will be an A4 size frame of your choice. So you can get any picture framed from us, or you can also choose from our own designs. And this was pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, commenting done on this post, and staying active throughout my Vlogmas videos, so that you can win that photo frame for yourself or your loved ones. That's completely your choice. And this giveaway will be open for Indian residents only as of now. If I'll be coming up with international giveaway, I'll let you guys know during this Vlogmas season only. But for now, it is open for Indian residents only. So all you people out there, make sure you're subscribing and participating in the giveaway. And yes, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.